If you want to learn how to make this incredible, easy and tasty chocolate souffle, watch my video. What's going on, guys? How are you doing? As always, my name is Cheyenne and today we are going to bake a souffle. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and drop a like on this video and comment down below what do you want me to make on next video. As always, first let's take a look to the ingredients. You can also see the exact quantity of ingredients in the description if you want to write a shopping list. Let's go. Here we have our ingredients. Here we have about 60 grams of butter, 100 grams of chocolate. Try to use a good quality chocolate. I'm using real chocolate because the quality of your souffle is based on your chocolate's quality. Here we have about 4 tablespoons of sugar, about 3 tablespoons of baking flour, and we have 2 room temperature large eggs. For baking the souffles, we need ramekins. And also you need a mixer for this recipe. Let's start making the souffle. For our first step, we are going to add our eggs. Now we'll add the sugar. We'll start mixing it with our mixer for almost 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes that we've mixed it, you can see the color has got a little bit brighter and it has a kind of fluffy texture. We don't need our mixer anymore. Now we'll keep this aside. Now we're going to microwave our butter. It should melt and get pretty hot. It should get pretty hot because we are going to melt the chocolate in it. For me, approximately it took about a minute. Now I'm going to add the chocolate. Now we'll mix it until the chocolate melts. As you can see, now the chocolate has melted totally. Now we are going to add it to our egg and sugar mixture. Now we'll mix it. Now when they have mixed totally, now we are going to add our flour. We'll mix it slowly. This mixing method is called folding. You should do it like this because you are not going to remove that air bubbles. See, you should do it like this. First turn it and then push it. Now it has mixed totally. Now we are going to add it to our ramekins. First we are going to grease our ramekins with oil. We should fill the ramekins until this line here. Now we'll add the mixture. Let's go and bake them. Now we are going to put it in our oven. We should use a preheated oven, 430 degrees of Fahrenheit or 220 degrees of Celsius. We should let it cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, it's ready. We'll remove it from oven. Look at it, it looks amazing. Now we'll add a little bit of iced sugar for a better look. It tastes incredible. Thanks guys for watching my video. For supporting me, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, drop a like and comment down below what you want me to make on next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you guys next week. Bye.